This is the most delicious raspberry bread pudding. Are you ready for raspberry bread pudding? This was my mother-in-law's favorite dessert. They found it in the Midwest. Let's do it. Super simple, super delicious, the best raspberry bread pudding. The recipe will be in the description box below. You guys, this is super simple. The best, most delicious raspberry bread pudding. Okay, let your Italian bread stay out the night before. And we're going to double layer it. Take a little bit off the top. Add your heavy cream, sugar, vanilla blend on top of one layer of bread. Stir it up gently as to not disturb the bread, and then we're going to add another layer of bread back on top, and then run the heavy cream batter back on top of that. Let this mixture sit for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Look at all that ooey goodness going over that Italian bread. For the raspberries, frozen raspberries, 1 cup of frozen raspberries, add a ½ cup of apple juice right over your frozen raspberries. Stir it up and then lay it on top of your Italian bread. You guys, this is so simple but so good. I will leave the icing recipe in the description box below. It's that simple, y'all. It's that simple. It blew me away. It was delicious. You can do it. I can do it. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs it up, and try this recipe and leave a comment below.
On the prize money super size G5 super fly should be super